Hello friends, my name is Suraj Pardesi and today we will be discussing about the Microsoft Power BI. So the first thing is what is BI means. BI is nothing but a business intelligence where Microsoft has developed a powerful tool which can be used for analysis of a data. So this software can be used in any domain, in finance, energy, in technologies, or in service sectors, or any domain this software can be used, and it's a really very powerful software. And so as the name suggests, Power BI, so it has a very huge power, and currently this software is in very much in demand in market, and to learn this software is also in a huge demand. So today we'll be discussing few things about Power BI. So this is the day one. We will be looking with the agenda of what is Power BI, why Power BI, one sample dashboard overview, types of Power BI, how to download. So today we'll be covering this all points. So the first thing is, what is Power BI? Power BI is nothing but a business intelligence platform which combines to an intuitive user experience with industrial leading advanced analytics. That means that Power BI is a BI platform where we can judge the experience with a good or bad. That means we can identify whether the data or the analysis gives us a good picture, bad picture, or we can just take that data insights from all the advanced analytics. So secondly is the organization can bring together data to analyze in the seconds and uncover deep insights with built-in AI capabilities, all with the industry leading securities and performance of the Power BI, Power Platform and Azure. So as you can see the image over here, so this image shows like we have the Power BI tool here. This is the symbol of Power BI. So it is gathering all the informations from different softwares or the cloud software, SQL, like Excel, the Power Apps, the Microsoft Edge. So it has a power that it can connect to any platform and take the data from the cloud, Azure cloud. So here we can find out, analyze the data in seconds. Also it can give us the deep insights using AI. AI is the artificial intelligence capability of this software. So this is which have good security and good performance. So that is what Power BI is. Second, why Power BI? Power BI, why we should use? The first is that it gets the real-time data. So we can get real-time data and wherever you need. So this is the most biggest advantage, that we get real-time data. Second is that analyze data across your organization. This can be analyzed data across anywhere in any of the desktop or system where the Power BI is installed. So by publishing it, you can access this information anywhere, gain insights safely, and take actions. So we can gain good insights and safely take that actions on that insights. Security of the data to share, there is a good security. Find answers fast with industrial leading AI. We can find out the answers fast based on the industrial AI. So if you have any doubt what will be the data outcome, so if we look, I want this information that way, so this can give the answer fast. Improve publishing efficiency and accuracy of Power BI content. So here we can have good publishing efficiency. We can publish it various platforms. So we will go on this further in further videos. Stream analytics in real time, turn insights into action, the refresh data in one click. So like in Excel's, we have different sheets. So here there is no different sheets. You can just refresh. You can click on a refresh, and you will get all the data which is updated in that platform and getting reflected in your dashboard or the Power BI workspace. And also show data insights in one screen. So that's all, that it can combine many data from different platforms and give you the insights in one screen. So these are the few advantages which will be also used in your interviews, why we should use Power BI and what is Power BI. So this is one of the sample dashboard. So here you can see we have different charts used here. This is a pie chart, the bar chart. So we have various different charts like a cluster chart, pie chart, map chart. Map is there. Also the card. These are the cards, the KPIs. So we have different visualizations in this Power BI tool. So this is just a sample to give you the overview how it looks after creating a dashboard. So now we'll be looking at types of Power BI. So we have three types. That is, the first one is the free version, which is the desktop version. Second is the Pro and Premium. So Power BI consists of Microsoft Windows desktop application called as Power BI Desktop, which is nothing but the online SAS, that is software as a service, which is also called as a Power BI service. And we have also mobile version, which is an app. So Power BI app, we call it as Power BI app, which can be used in any of the OS, that is Windows, iOS and Android. So we have Pro version and the Premium version. So in these three versions we have different advantages. Let's look into it. So we'll be going in the browser of, so here you can see this is the page of Microsoft, and we have entered in the Power BI area. So we have Power BI Desktop, Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, Power BI Mobile, Power BI Embedded, and Power BI Report Server. So these are all different products, and now looking for the what are the differences and what we get in Pro and Premium. So we have these are the features. The first one is the collaboration analytics, mobile app access. So we have mobile app access in Pro, Premium, and both the Premium. This is per user and this is capacity in case of companies. So publish report to share and collaborate. Publish is nothing but to publish a report at different platforms. So we have that in Pro and Premium. So also paginated report is we get in the Premium. We'll be going through all these features later on in later videos. So paginated video in Premium, and also the consume content with a per user license we have in the Premium version. One premises reporting with the Power BI report server, it's in Premium. We have model size limit 1 GB in the Pro, 100 GB and in Premium, and 400 GB in the capacity. So refresh rate 8 per days, that is 48 8 per days and 48 per days, and same as for Premium. And then we connect to more than 100 data sources. We get in all these three. We have the create report and visualization with Power BI Desktop. We get it in all these three types. Embedded APIs and controls, we have it for all. AI visuals for all. Advanced AI, it's only for Premium, and XMLA endpoints and read write connectivity is in only Premium. Data flow, direct queries, linked and computed entities, enhanced computer engines is in only Premium. So data mart creation we have in Premium. Then the governance and administration, that the data security and encryption is in all. Then metric for content creation, consumption, publishing is in all. Application lifecycle management is only in Premium. Multi-geo deployment management is only in Premium capacity, that is BYOK, that is bring your own key, it's in Premium. Autoscale add-on abilities in on Premium. And maximum storage, as you should know this, the maximum storage we have in Pro is 10 GB per user, and then we have 100 TB in both the cases of Premium. So these are some features divided in different Power BI tools, so based on your package which you are using. So as we are using a desktop version, if you are not interested in Pro and Premium, you just need to learn, or you can learn with the desktop version. Desktop version is free. So let's move how to download this. Okay, how to download this Power BI Desktop. So just click on this same page. We have an option here, download Power BI Desktop. If we go with the step, next step for the presentation is how to download. I have already mentioned a link in my presentation. If you click on that link, you will directly be directed to that page of downloading page in any software, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So we will just wait, it's loading. Okay, so this is the page. You get, if you click on this, you will be directed to this page. Which is nothing but the Power BI download direct page. I have clicked, I have mentioned this link directly, so you need to only check what language you want, and then you will click on download. You will get two options. You will click on Power BI desktop setup x64 and you will download it. So after downloading, you just need to click here next, and sorry, it was not selected. Then next. Okay, then it will get downloaded. You have to download it, and then you just need to install and run in your system. So I have already installed this software in my system, so we'll be directly looking it in the next video. Thank you.